May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. And we're going to look at gold. We are going to look at gold. And what do we see in this market? Is it bearish or bullish? Quick question. All right. You've answered. Once we break this high, it's bullish. And when I say break, I don't mean waking up to it and then going in the other direction. No, that's not breaking the high. When you trade through that high, that shows you the intent of the market is to go higher when you close above these highs. All right. And what we have here, we have price consolidating here. All right. Accumulating, manipulating, going down and sweeping these lows, taking out those people that took longs here to go up higher, took out their stop losses, and then proceeds to go the way these buyers wanted to go in the first place before getting taken out by the manipulation and missing the distribution. All right. This looks very AMD to me, and that's the way I see it. All right. Price broke this high. You see, we flirted. A lot of people had stop losses for shorts here. Had stop losses above these highs. Stop losses above these highs. All right. What did the market do? Mark came out, took him out, took him out. All right. And uh just proceeded to blast up to the high. Now listen, this this happened over a period of months, and you can see that we filled those wicks and traded above them. On the lower time frames, this is a breakout, right? I'm not a breakout trader, but I'm noting that when you break structure, it's the market is giving you its intent to go higher. It becomes clearer on the weekly. You can see price accumulated here. All right. You see that low? We come down, take those lows, sweep those lows out, and distribute higher. I need you to follow me. All right. And you can see that we had a nice breakout here. Here. All right. We took out these highs here. Price traded through, pulled back a bit to the breakout area into a, got too many lines here. Oops. Into the, it's a very slight bullish fair value gap. Traded into it, pushed higher, pulled back into this fair value gap here. This thing is driving me crazy. All right, pull back into a fair value gap here. All right, pushed higher. And I'm pointing out those fair value gaps because we have now formed a very clear weekly fair value gap. Come on, man. I'm not trying to grab you. There you go. We got a weekly fair value gap right here. All right, between that high and this low. And price has formed an inside bar. All right. We did not close past the high. We didn't take that high out. We didn't make a new high, and we closed within the range of this candle. There's a good chance that we're coming toward to take this low out. All right. If we come to take that low out, it's a good chance we're gonna tap the fair value gap and go higher. All right. Hence this arrow on this weekly fair value gap. Now, if we go to the daily, you can see inside of the weekly fair value gap, I believe that belongs here. Yeah, inside the weekly fair value gap, we have a daily fair value gap. And I gave this analysis last week. What I was looking for was price to come, give us daylight here. That's daylight from the breakout area, from the area of the breakout. We took out the swing high, we traded above it, and now we have this daylight coming back towards it. I want to see price do that. That's what I want to see. We came close. Price did pull back right down to here. and we stopped at 2006.46. What I'm looking for is 2006.38 to be tapped. This is 2600. I want price to come down to those whole numbers. You understand? The whole numbers I keep bringing up because ICT brings them up. The market likes to put orders there. All right, we would be mitigating this weekly and daily fair value gap here, which are both aligned. Okay, and let me also point out, if we put our Fibonacci retracement tool on there, we go from this swing, this that low to this high. This is where we see the impulse. All right, we're looking at this bullish price structure, and we're looking for an area where price can pull back to and find its retracement point to where it will find support and move higher. We are already aligned here with the 50%, the equilibrium of this trading range, right? If we go below it, we are now in discount from premium. If we want to take a long, we want to take it from discount. If we want to take a short, we take it from premium. You can short from here if you like. You can short down to this fair value gap where I think price will find its footing and move higher. I'm not doing it. I'm waiting patiently for buy setups. All right. I'm waiting patiently for buy setups because of the tensions in the Middle East. Gold goes higher. The more it escalates, the more people will go to gold. All right. If we see a calming down, we're going to see gold start to move down. All right. And you'll also see the US dollar weaken as well. So gold kind of benefits. Uh, this is going to be a market to watch. All right. Uh, I just want to stress that if price breaks that low, and I was waiting for this to happen last week, danced with it, it moved sideways because of the unease and uh, the, the the there's the tension over there in the Middle East could go either way. Right? So we have price moving sideways. If we get one wick down to here, this is going to be a high probability trade to the upside, in my opinion. All right, if we start to see rockets flying in both directions, if Israel retaliates in a way where uh, Hamas and Hezbollah have to respond, then we're going to see price move up higher, and it'll probably never reach this. If that happens Tuesday is going to be a very pivotal day, and then we have CPI coming on Wednesday. CPI. That's right. So we're going to see what the inflation rate looks like. This is the daily. I'm looking for price to move down. I'm looking for price to come down and take out this low. There's profit margin to be had here. You can look on the lower time frames and look to see if price is going to come on down here. If price makes a new high, we're probably going to see it create bullish fair value gaps, and it'll probably never come down here. This is where I would like price to come for my buy setup. I hope I explained that clearly. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, give my video a boost so you can help to grow this channel. That's all I ask of you. And I will see you in the next video. Trade carefully.